Hello guys, this boy Muhammad from How to PC. Today I walk you through how to fix Windows 10 app not closing when you shut down. This step is very easy. You need to clear it in the desktop and go to new. For new, you need to create shortcut. And you need to type the following code. I put in the description below and click next. Let's make that shortcut shutdown sorry, and hit finish. We'll use that. Let's make our desktop. We'll see where our shortcut. This our shortcut here. Let's change the icon. Go to click right and go to properties and go to option. Let's see, font layout, detail. Just looking for general. We're looking for a change icon. It's a shortcut. Can just list this for a different file, and let's use that. Okay, apply and okay. You see, every app when it's not shut down, you need to go to desktop and click that shortcut. And this video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.